Once upon a time, in a busy city, there lived two childhood friends named Ryan and Daniel. They grew up together, shared dreams, and promised never to let money come between them. Ryan belonged to a poor family, while Daniel came from a wealthy home. Despite their differences, their friendship remained strong for many years. As time passed, Daniel inherited his father's large business and became extremely rich. He bought expensive cars, lived in a luxurious mansion, and was respected by many people because of his wealth. On the other hand, Ryan struggled to earn enough money for his family. He worked day and night, but still lived a simple life. One rainy evening, Ryan's daughter became seriously ill. He desperately needed money for her treatment. With hope in his heart, he went to Daniel's mansion and asked for help. Daniel looked at him coldly and said, "I worked hard for my success. I cannot help everyone who comes to me." Ryan quietly left with tears in his eyes. A few months later, Daniel's company suffered a huge loss. His business partners abandoned him, and the people who once praised him disappeared. Soon, Daniel lost almost everything. One day, while walking alone in the market, Daniel suddenly collapsed from weakness. A man rushed forward to help him. It was Ryan. Ryan took Daniel to the hospital, paid for his treatment, and cared for him like a brother. Ashamed, Daniel asked, "After everything I did, why did you help me?" Ryan smiled gently and replied, "Because humanity